How to see and delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the top right. And here from the shortcuts section, click on find friends. And once you are on this page right here, click on requests at the top left corner of your screen. You will get to this page right here, which is the received requests that you get. And in order to see the sent requests, the requests that you have sent, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on view sent requests. And here you will find all of the requests that you sent on Facebook. So just click on cancel on the requests that you want to delete. And as you can see, the requests has been cancelled and removed. It's that easy and simple. If we went back to the page, we will see that we have no sent request because we cancelled all of them. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and remove all of your sent friend requests on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.